Hey everyone, so I know that there is a lot of you new to plant-based and vegan foods and taking Veganuary, January, to try out different plant-based recipes. So I thought that I would make it really easy for you guys and do a little series of like breakfast, lunch, maybe some dinner and dessert, and show you really easy, tried and tested recipes that I use all the time. So the first one up is a tasty recipe of fluffy pancakes, and I use this one all the time because I like my pancakes to be like nice and thick, and it's so easy. It's just a couple of ingredients, you whisk it all together and you get these magically delicious and yummy pancakes. So for those who don't know this process, you're essentially making your own buttermilk. And in a couple of minutes, that will thicken up and the vinegar will also mix with our baking powder that is in the dry mix and create these really light, fluffy pancakes. This is very much like how cheese is made. So it's only been about a minute or so. You're just gonna mix everything together. And again, when that acid hits the baking powder, everything gets super bubbly. So you wanna make sure and have a hot pan ready and we can make some pancakes. So the second recipe that I have for you guys is a fluffy omelet recipe from Gaz Oakley. The recipe is very easy because you just put everything into the blender. So it's like some tofu, some chickpea flour, and then a little bit of flavorings. And the omelet actually comes out really, really good. Super, super easy. So the one thing I'll say about this process is you want to cook it at about medium heat. Let time do its thing. And this will cook very much like pancakes. You will see big holes form, and take like a little spatula and see if the underside is ready to release before you flip your omelet over. third recipe that I have for you guys is from my own. It is my favorite whole food plant-based breakfast muffins. And I use bananas and dates and chickpea flour, but all really easy because you just throw it into the blender. Everything is one pot. You can pour it into the little muffin rolls straight from the blender. So it's super easy, super good for you guys as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed those 3 really easy vegan breakfast recipes. Of course, nowadays there are so many different like vegan substitutes. So you can have like vegan sausages, you can have vegan bacon, all added on to your breakfast menu. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more in this series, and I will see you guys all again real soon. All right, bye.